The liver is the busiest organ in our body on the grounds that it is in charge of incalculable fundamental capacities. The liver is in charge of bile generation, fats breakdown, and it is additionally essential for assimilation and blood supply of supplements. It kills all hurtful substances in the body and controls the fundamental biochemical methods. Because of the liver's overburdening, it needs cleaning now and then. Keep in mind that liver cleaning is not proposed for individuals with liver and gallbladder stones. People with liver and gallbladder stones shouldn't do it, as well as people experiencing diabetes, colds, influenza, and different infectious diseases, or those who are under a lot of anxiety, pregnant ladies, and the ones breastfeeding. You also shouldn't do it on the off chance that you feel a general weakness or worsen a chronic illness. Beetroot. Put 3 parts of chopped and washed beetroot into a 3-liter jug. Keep in mind not to peel the beetroots. Include 3 tablespoons of wheat flour and 1 pound of brown sugar in the jug. Leave the mixture in a dark place at room temperature for 2 days. After that, include 700 grams of raisins and half a cup of water in the same mixture, and leave it for a week. Keep in mind to blend the jug content consistently. After the approximated time has passed, strain the mixture. You ought to get 1 liter of juice toward the end of this technique. Take 1 teaspoon of this remedy 3 times each day, 30 minutes before meals. Black radish. Wash and peel 10 kilos/22 pounds of black radish and place it in a juicer. You ought to get around 3 kilos of juice. Store that in the refrigerator. You can blend fibers that stay after the juicing with brown sugar in proportion on every 1 kilo/35 ounces of fiber, including a 500 grams/17 ounces of brown sugar and 300 grams/10 ounces of honey. This mixture ought to be placed in a warm place for the early treatment of the liver. To begin with, take 1 teaspoon of the juice 1 hour after every meal. After you're out of juice, begin adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of the mixture of radish fiber into your food. Avoid oily and spicy food while doing this treatment.